punishment, people.
It's take your wife to work day, so I'm going to work today, guys.
Yes.
I'm going to work today.
I'm gonna put her in the naughty corner.
Okay. Wouldn't it be more going in naughty corner? I'm not a naughty person. I'm a good girl.
Yeah, interesting. She gets some work for doing some quiz and all these things, and she comes.
Pardon me. Hello. I got you CXC already. I got you GSAT already. I got you my degrees already.
If you don't finish
need no
them,
more
you're not getting
schooling.
no lunchtime.
Next, please, my cues.
Yes. That's how we roll,
Let me
okay?
hear the liberty taking people. Anyhow, today is one day in a year, and we're on our way to work.
That's well said. A day in the year.
Take your wife to work day, and we are gonna go to the doctor after, guys, to see her bye-bye or bye-bye.
Yeah. Go check how much it look like me, I know. You see it.
Okay. Right. Anyhow,
People may run late. Tell them why I'm late.
because the people don't like you.
Because what?
You know, say people don't like you and you drive slow. And you could have reached already.
I'm not telling
You hear me on the phone and you sit down in there and listen to my conversation before you go bed, and then you say, me make you late.
I'm not going to go to the patrol line, God no.
You don't figure in there.
No, I must have a choice. When I say they look busy, take your time, brother. Don't
Anyhow, guys, we'll come back and say hello in another couple of hours. Okay? See ya. Them all left me lock up in an office and all kind of something full of mosquito and weird things. Me I go show you guys. Me I go show you.
You're shaving on my office.
Anyhow, see you guys later.
Hey guys, so guess what going on? I'm so excited, like excited and at the same time I was excited. I try to assess my feelings. I tell you difference, that's a natural foolishness. Today we're going to be doing what name again, babe?
Anomaly.
The anomaly scan. So we're going to sorry me I eat Ush.
You might eat and there's something over the screen, so you play so little darkish.
Yeah, we're gonna find out the baby organs and features and everything are developed as is supposed to, if that makes sense. Yeah, and also we're gonna find out the gender.
We?
Then I'm plan to tell me, I don't know why. They don't want to tell me.
Who is this we you're speaking of?
So we're gonna find out gender baby today, you see it? For the footballer and the netballer. So That's a girl. You see what I'm excited, you see?
And this had black dog the
Yeah,
food,
I'm hungry, I'm hungry, you see?
Jesus.
And next thing is that, don't eat with food in your mouth, okay?
Don't eat with food in your mouth.
Don't talk with food in your mouth. Next thing, guys. Guys, I'm losing train of thought. That's what I remember. What was that again, baby? Gender.
Football and netball, you know what you know.
Yeah, we don't see the gender later, but me not gonna know today. Can I go find out, but me not gonna know. I'm going to be in the room though. We're gonna ask permission if we can record the screen, but you know it's a JAD, so we're very old fashioned. America if you be 50 years and then Jamaica get J after. If they will allow us to record at least the screen. You get me, I say? So like I said that there was something else I wanted to say, I don't remember. Yeah, but that's the reason I'm excited. I really want to know if it's a girl baby or boy baby. And on top of that, you know that for a fact, I know it's a twin, so. The morning going there and start running the machine business then. Is it two heartbeat?
Yeah, mine and the child.
No baby, you're at the opposite. It's a two baby, is it? And that's been about a month and probably 2 months now we haven't seen the baby.
Oh yeah, for sure.
About 2 months. Yo, baby, I kick the people. Once he hear my voice, him just start make some movement like Daddy's here. So tell him I can see him and say, yo. I see it, I'm excited. You know, like, I'm hungry, I'm tired and stressed out in the week, yeah? What am I telling you? Alright, be going away from me. People, bye. What the hell your phone for?
And it's a box of food, so.
They don't understand.
Anyhow, peeps. Soon when we come out, if we can record in there, you'll see the clip. If we can't, then I'll just
We'll at least get a picture if we can't do the recording.
Yeah. Or you can sneak. You know, pack it up as well.
No, we're not doing something like I don't want to I don't like the wrong things that make me feel nervous.
Okay, anyhow.
Yeah.
Sooner or later, see? Watching.
Bye, baby. Say it, big.
Had big sheets. Daddy. Nope. If I'm gonna see, they say the baby is rude enough. The baby is very rude. You
Why?
need to move. You need to move. The baby is very rude. So I had to freeze the screen. The baby is very rude.
Oh my
Look
god.
away. I need to see this.
If I want to slip out a little bit just in case I don't see that part, I can.
You can recognize what you see.
I doubt I can, honestly, I don't see the movements. Oh.
They're light.
Okay.
Feet are crossed. I have to remind me how we're doing. Feet are crossed.
That's a she or he.
Yeah, she and he. The feet.
I'm good on traffic.
So, Papa, how you feel?
Huh?
How do you feel?
Guys, I'm feeling so honored and so blessed.
Honored and blessed?
I'm
Why are
feeling
you
honored and
feeling
blessed.
honored and blessed?
The intent was that I should know the gender, even though I
But
don't
it's
totally
fast
know.
right here.
It's not fast. Honestly, I was looking at the screen, I could not tell based on what I'm seeing. You guys must know, so yo, we're not having doctor eyes, so I couldn't understand. But I said to the doctor, so I watched a video recently where a couple went to do an anomaly scan, similar to what we just did. And they were saying to the doctor that they don't want to know if it's a girl or a boy. But the doctor keep on like she sleep and say he, so his head or his feet, and when she sleeps, she'll say like he, she. But he keep on up, so I said okay, and I was laughing at that video, you know. So when I went in today, I said the same thing to her. She said, do you guys want to know the gender? I said, Kanisa, but I don't want to know it until next week. So she said, okay, no problem. So I said to her, I watched a video recently, and when I just said a while ago that happened, and she started to laugh. I said, oh, funny enough, she did the same thing. She did the same thing. But look at it, I didn't want her to know that she slipped, or that I realized that she slipped. So she was doing something and she said the gender, then she mixed up and start he, she, something like. But we say, sometimes I clap in a ear and I say nothing at all. Then she do it a second time, and then she do the same he, she, he, something. I said, what is something call him again? So I said, yeah. All the doctor knows say they don't have big foot at all. You understand?
And then the first thing she said was, okay, see it. And then she started moving.
Yeah, so the first, when she just put on the thing, she said, okay, I see the gender already. So in my head, there's only one way.
But based on the picture, either one should have seen it because she take it from so she would have seen it, either one.
To me, when she said she see it already, I say, there's only one way that's going to be visible. You understand? So, because, alright, if it was, can I say that?
If it what? Just the way I said.
Alright, y'all play the pizza after them see the video. You understand? So if it was a girl, I would think that she gotta look careful if it's under the penis fall under. Make it look like a vagina. So she have to look more detail in terms of how she look at it to make sure say and hide the penis a hide. But it's actually a girl. But if a penis did it, you know have to double check, you're gonna see the penis stand out so. And then she keep on saying, boy, this baby is rude. So if my intent I said the boy stand up. So I said, no man, this baby is rude. So then I said, I must say myself because she keep on saying this baby is rude. So I said, no brother.
But that's literally how the picture is.
No man, them say stand up, I couldn't see it. When he said no, he said no man, this baby is rude. So I said, no brother. Like Papa salute like he just stand up so.
I'm asleep.
Yeah man.
He must sleep, so it's just like
he was raised to the occasion and she keep on saying, no, I can't understand. This baby is rude. So I say, yeah man, that must be a penis stand up. So when we come today, we ask, what song does this man we laugh about it? Resident, so we go.
Oh, resurrection power.
Resurrection power come.
Resurrection power is coming.
I was there singing and take the song with joke and I laugh it out. But honestly, I'm feeling good. And the thing about it, you know.
Enough.
Yeah, some people are run me down a long time, yo. They don't reveal, I'm not going to be, honestly. Unless I'm
no, but
think of
I
something
did
else.
say that we can just do the gender reveal as something for our friends and family, not for us.
Yeah. So I feel them check out them because I found out guys and they were saying that we all have the girl baby clothes, don't it?
Yeah.
So a girl baby, we have girl baby clothes, so either you have to go find the next girl baby or probably have to go again after the one I'm not know.
No.
Hey, but I am so happy. You know what I'm saying? People will love girl baby, you know. But we just somebody want a boy baby first. So get them
Yes, so watch out.
My move?
And now you choose the move.
Let me talk to you. Come on. Doctor try to search your face so long as you sleep. So why now you wake up?
I make nice, you wake up.
I shall make something nice in there. We wake you up long time. And people may say how long I've never come out for the fact say you was a boy baby. It means that from day one, me I sing a song to say you're a boy and everybody say no, a girl me say no, a boy baby that. Babe, not true.
But from before we were married, you say
a boy baby.
Yeah. Before we married, before we even think about it, okay, baby.
Yo, but tell the man about this, so you want something, speak it into being. You think me say I told what you want, but we don't know like God I say, well you don't know where I go on. God I say,
no, I asked
you asked for one?
The Lord to give me one for you.
So I'm gonna get that one for.
There is no other one.
No.
There is no other one.
Well, like how do you bind that up now? In the name of Jesus. But I think God answer you. You asked for one.
Yeah.
I asked for two. But I think God has to be fair. So he give you part of what you asked for. I asked for a boy.
I didn't mind.
He gave me a boy.
My preference was boy, but I didn't mind which one because me wouldn't know how to handle a girl.
There's something happening, guys, which probably you won't see the video until the right time. Which we're going to see
when the time is right.
Yeah, but we can say it from now so them can see say, I don't make up story. So a series of dream and whatever would have Just tell him the date pass something, babe.
So like, alright, so she was looking and she had tried to get the face. She couldn't get the face because the baby face turned inside. So, and the baby just lay down. Now look, having hand over her face. You not pay attention, like leave me alone, let me sleep. So, she in there a good while. I try to get baby face. Like, we in there more than an hour. No, we in there an hour and change now. And what me I say? Yeah, she had tried to say the baby and the baby asleep. Baby now move. Baby I move now though.
He was moving now, but I think he was sleeping and the face turned down. Because him and him foot them keep on a move. But the face I think she wanted to see him
yeah. So I'm a move now because he hearing loud mouth father.
Come on, boss of your
but anyhow, she was saying that baby is measuring ahead of time. Baby was always a couple days ahead, like maybe 5 days ahead of time. But and I remember a couple months ago, like in the early stage, I had a dream that I was going to have. Well, me never know if I'm me, but somebody said to me, the baby I got born next year, round my birthday.
That was before you knew you're pregnant.
That before. Me never even pregnant yet.
Yeah.
Or was I?
No, you're never pregnant. You never know so you're pregnant.
Yeah.
And you said the person,
that was probably around conception.
yeah, but we never know.
Yeah. These are the things that are happening.
So we're going to watch and see what happens.
Watch and see what God is doing.
Yeah.
Because everything is pretty much lining up.
And we know dreams can go a lot of different ways because
dreams
I think,
don't walk straight most time.
But it just stand out to say why even before so long the date they came and then bam, everything I flowed the way there. And why I say dreams can go about is I think last week I had a dream about this girl baby just a hold on upon her and all the time run her down so she named Blessing.
Yeah.
And then a couple days after that I had this dream now with this girl baby and I have the baby and I said boy at first me actually experience that kind of love. Like me I said, but I was so happy me that kind of about this girl baby.
It can mean that you are going to experience a different kind of love and me are going to experience a different kind of blessing.
Oh. Somebody else said themselves, I wonder if a girl baby man I may not get them one. So things can work only for different ways. But at the same time, whichever way happen, our aim is that the baby is born very, very healthy.
Yeah.
And we could do that. You see it?
See me here guys, me lay down, so that's why I kind of look up, so me lay down.
I was still trust God for America, so when that one baby come, we doctor say one more left.
we are not. We are not in agreement with that.
A two baby come.
We aren't.
Yo!
No.
I'll make some guys.
No.
Because I'm going to the doctor, there's a two baby now and I pay. Sorry boss, no one come. So brother, go on man.
Fridays. TGI's. You know, I've never been over there.
I've never been over there.
I've been to TGI's, but never out here. Anyhow, guys, later. We're in traffic.
Holy Ghost.
So,
Very good,
see y'all later.
Where is our customer?